There are 36 men, 24 women, and 52 children in a swimming pool. Find the ratio of the number of men to the number of women. Find the ratio of the number of children to the total number of people. And express the number of women as a fraction of the total number of people. So let's try to note down the values that are given in the problem. So we would represent men using the letter M. So since there are 36 men, then M is equal to 36. Now we would represent the women using the letter W. And since there are 24 women, W is equal to 24. We would represent the children as C. And since there are 52 children, then C is equal to 52. And then the total number of people that we have in the swimming pool is just the sum of the number of men, women, and children. So 36 plus 24 plus 52 is equal to 112. Total number of people is represented by the letter P. So P is equal to 112. Now for our first question, find the ratio of the number of men to the number of women. Take note that when it comes to finding the ratio, we need to strictly follow the order in which the components of the ratio was mentioned in the question. So it's men to women. So we are finding the ratio M is to W. So based on the actual numbers given, M is 36, W is 24. We now have 36 is to 24. And it's always a must that we simplify our ratio. So we do that by finding the greatest common factor of 36 and 24, which is 12. So we divide each by 12. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. And 24 divided by 12, that's 2. So M is to W is 3 is to 2. Next question, the ratio of the number of children to the total number of people. Since there are 52 children and a total of 112 people, then C is to P is simply 52 is to 112. And then the greatest common factor of 52 and 112 is 4. So 52 divided by 4 is 13. And 112 divided by 4 is 28. So C is to P is 13 is to 28. And for the last question, we need to express the number of women as a fraction of the total number of people. For this type of question, please take note that the component that is mentioned first would represent the numerator of the fraction, and then the component that was mentioned last, or the component that follows the phrase as a fraction of, would now represent the denominator of our unknown fraction. So that's number of women as a fraction of the total number of people. That's actually W over P. There are 24 women and there are 112 people. So that's 24 over 112. And the greatest common factor of 24 and 112 is 8. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. And 112 divided by 8 is 14. The simplified fraction is 3/14.